What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Platinum Mastercard. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, ito yung East-West credit card or yung credit card ni East-West na walang annual fee for life. Kahit kapag nag-apply kayo ng supplementary credit card for this principal card, no annual fee for life din. Sa video na to pag-uusapan natin yung fees and charges kasi syempre kahit no annual fee for life, may fees and charges pa rin itong credit card na to. At the same time, yung perks and benefits, kagandahan kung kayo ay magkaroon ng ganitong credit card ni East-West. At the same time, yung application requirements at saka kung magkano yung income requirement na kailangan ninyo para ma-approve kayo sa application nyo para sa credit card na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, East-West Platinum Mastercard. So the mark of true accomplishment. Features and benefits. So unahin ko na yung perks and benefits ng credit card na ito. Free lifetime membership, the annual membership fees of your principal and supplementary East-West Platinum Mastercard credit cards have been waived perpetually so that you may enjoy luxurious benefits and spending privileges for a lifetime. So, ibig sabihin, no annual fee for life. The moment na makuha nyo itong credit card na to, hindi nyo na po problemahin yung yearly payment nun. Then, move on tayo. Priority Pass membership. Take pleasure in the comfort and privacy of an exclusive airport lounge every time you travel abroad. With your Priority Pass membership, you can access more than 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, regardless of the airline you are taking or ticket class held. So, eto guys, kailangan yung malaman regarding sa Priority Pass membership. So, nandito yung terms and conditions nila kumbaga in accessing Priority Pass membership airport lounges. You and your guest may access these exclusive lounges with world-class amenities for a minimal usage fee of $27 per person. So, kailangan mo nyo munang bayaran yung $27 the moment you visit, which will be charged to your East-West Platinum Mastercard. However, each usage fee of $27 will be free and credited back. So, credited back, ibig sabihin i-reverse to your account for every 100,000 worth of accumulated spending from travel ticket purchases and international transactions during your travel period. So, kailangan guys, kailangan yung ma-meet yung 100,000 spending requirement in order for you to get being refunded that $27. So, kung frequent traveler naman talaga kayo tapos mahilig kayo mag-shopping abroad, so hindi malayong hindi nyo ma-reach yung 100,000 spending requirement para i-reverse or i-credit back yung $27 na ginamit nyo dun sa airport lounge. Then next natin guys is free comprehensive travel accident and inconvenience insurance of up to 20 million. So delve into breathtaking views of the world without worries. You and your family are covered for up to 20 million with comprehensive travel accident and inconvenience insurance when international, domestic air, land, and sea travel fares are purchased using your East-West Platinum Mastercard. So ito guys, dapat alam nyo na kailangan kapag bumili kayo ng plane tickets or di kaya ticket sa barko, dapat yung ginamit nyong credit card pambili is itong East-West Platinum Mastercard. Free East-West Platinum Mastercard virtual card. So ito yung maganda guys kasi may virtual card itong East-West Platinum Mastercard. Experience additional security and convenience for online shopping with your complimentary virtual card. Your East-West Platinum Mastercard virtual card contains a different card number, expiry date, and card validation code, and is initially assigned a lower credit limit to protect your regular credit card's data and credit line, giving you greater security and peace of mind. So, ibig sabihin guys, you have your another card which is yung virtual card which has different details from your mother card. So, safe and sound kapag ginamit nyo siya sa shopping platform online, there's nothing to worry about kasi safe yung mother card ninyo. At saka mas mababa yung credit limit na ina-assign doon para maproteksyonan yung credit limit nyo sa mother card ninyo. Platinum Rewards, be rewarded every time you use your East-West Platinum Mastercard. Earn 1 Platinum Rewards point for every 40 pesos you spend. Accumulate your points, redeem premium rewards from select partner establishments. So, ibig sabihin guys, in every 40 pesos you spend, halimbawa naka-spend kayo ng 80 pesos, so 2 points yung ma-earn yung points doon. 120, then 3 points. Footnotes. Your virtual card is initially assigned a sub-limit of 10,000. You may request for an increase in sublimit for up to 50% of your S2S Platinum Mastercard's credit limit but not more than 100,000 subject to S2S evaluation. So ano ibig sabihin nito guys? Yung virtual card na sinasabi ko kanina, which is yung pwede nyo gamitin pang online shopping, yung una niyang magiging credit limit guys is 10,000 lang. Tapos pwede kayo mag-request ng 50% ng kung magkano yung credit limit nyo sa mother card ninyo. But hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas ng 100,000. Halimbawa, yung credit limit ninyo is 1 million doon sa S2S Platinum Mastercard, so hanggang 100,000 lang yung maximum. Hindi pwedeng sundin yung 50%. It's because may amount cap which is 100,000 lang yung pinakamalaki na pwede nilang ibigay doon sa virtual credit card ninyo. Then move on tayo guys sa other card features. Supplementary cards. Share your spending privileges with your loved ones by giving them supplementary cards. You can request up to 9 supplementary cards. You may also assign a monthly sublimit for each supplementary card to better manage your finances. Cash advance facility. So, get cash whenever you need it. Simply withdraw from an S2S ATM or from any ATM bearing the Banknet, Mastercard, or Service logo using your cash advance personal identification PIN. So ito guys, kailangan nyo maging aware, yung cash advance is may malaking interest siya. Maliban doon, may processing fee pa siya. Kaya naman nakakalubog siya ng utang kapag hindi nyo siya na-manage ng maayos. Kaya naman, I don't advise you to use cash advance facility. But if you don't have a choice at kailangan nyo yung cash advance talaga, kasi na-sure talaga kayo sa budget, pwede nyo naman gamitin. But make sure to pay it on time kapag nagkapera na kayo kasi mataas yung interest niya. 3% yung pinapatong every billing cycle. Now, let's talk about fees and charges. S2S Platinum Mastercard fees and charges. Interest charge is 3% per month, 36% effective rate annually. Kasi syempre 3% every month, so ilang months meron sa isang taon? 12. So times 36% yung magiging yearly interest niya. Cash advance service fee and interest charge tulad ng sabi ko kanina. 200 pesos per cash advance availment and 3% interest charge imposed on the cash advance amount and cash advance service fee which shall accrue from the date of availment until full settlement or payment of the latest total statement balance. So the moment na mag-cash advance kayo, kahit nagkamali lang kayo, parang ay 5,000, ay kinulang 10,000. So mag-transact ulit kayo, another 200 yun. Bawat transaction is 200 plus 3% interest rate monthly. Then late payment charge is 1,500 or the unpaid minimum payment due whichever is lower. So ano ibig sabihin na to guys? Kung magkano yung minimum payment due ninyo, kung mas mababa sa 1.5, yun yung masusunod. Pero kung lumagpas ng 1.5, yung payment due ninyo, 1.5 siya kasi nakalagay it's whichever is lower. Over credit limit fees. So, kailangan maging aware kayo guys sa credit limit ninyo kasi may over limit fee si S2S which is 500 pesos. Now, let's talk about eligibility guys. Eligibility applicant must be a Filipino citizen or local resident foreigner. Principal card applicant must be at least 21 years old. Minimum gross annual income must be. So, since S2S Platinum Mastercard, 1,800,000 yung required gross annual income ninyo. Then, let's talk about requirements. For principal and supplementary card applicants, completely filled out S2S credit card application form, photocopy of one valid ID with picture and signature. Example, yung company ID, driver's license, passport, professional, regulation, commission, or PRC ID, SSS ID, BIR ID, or postal ID. So ako guys, yung mga ginagamit ko is yung postal ID kasi mabilis lang siya ma-provide kung wala kayong ID na nasa nabanggit. In addition to the above, submit a photocopy of the following. So if employed, for principal applicant only. So kung employed kayo, latest BIR form 2316 ITR, certificate of employment stating breakdown of compensation, letter of appointment, personal action memo, salary management memo issued within the latest month, latest 3 months payslip, latest service record for government employees, valid credit card reference, and latest month statement of account. If self-employed naman, submit both for principal card applicant only. Latest BIR form 1701 or ITR, income tax return, latest audited financial statements if applicable. So, syempre, kailangan yung latest audited financial statements sa business ninyo, then valid credit card reference, and latest month statement of account. Then ito guys, may note sila, application processing may take 10 to 15 banking days. Please note that documents submitted in relation to your credit card application shall not be returned. So hindi na siya ibabalik. Kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo sa credit card application ninyo. So I think that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!